Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method find. In Python, the find method returns the lowest index in a specified string where the substring is found, such that the substring is contained within the string with parameters start and end. These are two optional parameters which are interpreted as a slice notation. If the specified value is not found, the method will return a -1. The syntax here is the string underscore object followed by dot find and then the substring to search for with start and end parameters. So there's only one required parameter, which is the substring to be found, and two optional parameters for start and end index. The variable that we'll work with here is Python underscore design with the string. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language. We'll first start with finding a substring. So we'll check for the word design, and we'll create a variable here, find underscore design index, which equals to Python underscore design dot find design, and we'll print the lowest index for the word design in the string is, and we can see here that the output return 11. So the word design actually starts from index 11, counting from an index of 0. So starting from P up until the first appearance of design here in the string. So the word design starts at index position 11 from a count of 0. And we can also check lowest index for the word Java. We'll create a variable here called Java underscore IDX equals to Python underscore design dot find Java, and we'll print the lowest index for the word Java in the string is, and we can see here that this is -1, right? So as the word Java doesn't appear once in the string, this returns a -1. Method returns -1 as output. And we can also check the index position or lowest index position for any characters or special characters. So we can check the lowest index for the full stop. We'll create a variable here called full stop underscore IDX. Find a full stop, and we can print the lowest index for the full stop in the string is, and we can see here that this is 85 in this string. So the full stop only appears once, which is at the very end here of this sentence. It's at index position 85 from a count of 0. And we can also check this by checking the length, because the full stop appears at the very end. We can print the length of Python underscore design, because length starts from a count of 1. If we just subtract 1, this will return the position for the full stop. And we can see here that this is 85. So alternative, as there's only one full stop. And we can also now introduce the use of a starting parameter. So we can specify a starting parameter for the string to be searched for the word Python. And we'll create a variable here called Python underscore IDX which equals to Python design.find the word Python starting from the index position of 7 in the string. So this will exclude Python string to be searched starts from was onwards. So it starts from was designed for readability until the very end without the white space here in between Python and was. And using this, we can then print the lowest index for the word Python in the string is Python underscore IDX. And we can see here that this returns -1 as starting from 7 excludes the word Python. And we can also search for a different word. We can search for readability. So we'll create a variable here called readability underscore IDX, which equals to Python design dot find readability. Again, starting from a position of 7, and we can print the lowest index for the word readability in the string is readability underscore index. And we can see here this is 24. So you'll notice that based on the string, if you start counting from 0 to the first letter for the word readability is R, it's actually 24. So even with a starting position of 7, it still counts from the very beginning of the string. So this return 24, even with start parameter, the count is from the full string. And so we can now bring this all together and use both the searching for a substring, specifying a start parameter, but also ending parameter. So we can specify sub, start, and end parameters to search for the word English. We'll create a variable called English underscore IDX, which equals to Python design.find the word English, where it starts from a position of 49 and ends at 85. So this substring here is from similarities all the way until the very end of the string, so including the full stop. And we'll print the lowest index for the word English in the string is English IDX. And we can see that the position is 69. So the word English starts from a position of 69. And this is case sensitive with the search. So if we search for uppercase similarities, where in the string it's actually in lowercase, we can see that this will actually return a -1. So upper sim index, Python design, dot find uppercase similarities. Print the lowest index for the uppercase word in the string is upper underscore sim underscore IDX. And we can see here that this is -1. So return -1 as it is in uppercase. So now this is different from creating a new variable through slice notation. So if we create a substring with slicing, where we'll call this variable similarities underscore sub, which equals to Python design from the index position starting from 49 and ending at 85. And we can print the output here for the similarity sub. And we can see that this is the substring we're working with, the similarities to the English language. So it's just the second half of this string for Python underscore design. And if we search for the word English in this substring, index for the word English in the string is, and we just search for the lowest index, you'll see that this here returns 20. Right, as the new string now contains less characters. So this is different from specifying the starting ending parameter, which reduces the search space, but it still returns the lowest index from the full string that we're working with. So this is how to use the find method along with the 3 parameters sub, start, and end to check the lowest index for the first occurrence of a specified substring.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.